Chapter 18 Review, Real Estate Taxes. Ad valorem taxes are real estate taxes based on millage rates. Government properties are immune from taxation. Churches and nonprofits are exempt. The homestead is partially exempt. Greenbelt laws favor agricultural properties with a lower assessed value. Non-payment of property taxes causes a tax certificate sale. Bidding starts at 18% and bids down. After 2 years, the holder of the certificate can request a tax deed through a foreclosure. A primary resident lived in 2 years out of the last 5 years has a special capital gains treatment. $500,000 of gain if you're married filing jointly, or $250,000 gain if you're filing individually. Taxable income is calculated by taking net operating income plus reserves minus interest minus depreciation, which is also called cost recovery, and that'll give you your taxable income. Like-kind exchanges and installment sales can defer taxes to a later date. And that's all I have for Chapter 18's review.